Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS NUC 15 Pro. So friend, ASUS has announced the NUC 15 Pro mini PC, a compact powerhouse that delivers versatile performance for a wide range of development needs, from AI model training to data visualization, and featuring the latest Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processor, DDR5 6400 MHz memory, and Intel R GPU, and the NUC 15 Pro delivered outstanding speed of efficiency. Additionally, advanced Intel Wi-Fi 7 offer ultra-fast connectivity for seamless collaboration, and the NUC 15 Pro offer an unbeatable combination of performance and innovative design to elevate workflow. So friend, the mini PC featuring up to 99 platform TOPS, and this next generation CPU is purpose built for diverse workload and unrivaled AI performance, and these advanced processors are built on Intel 18A process and deliver remarkable compute performance, and this innovative CPU redefine productivity and creativity to set a new benchmark for AI power computing. So friend, the wireless connectivity option that include Intel Wi-Fi 7, Intel Wi-Fi proximity sensing, and certified Bluetooth 5.4 Wi-Fi 7 support up to 16 simulation streaming device, making it ideal for open plan office, and user get to enjoy up to 46 Gbps download speed and enabling 1 GB file download in just 2 seconds. So friend, the Bluetooth 5.4 support up to 50 Mbps data transfer speed to boost work efficiency, and its extended connection range offer great flexibility, providing user with stable device connection even in expensive offices, and the connectivity option including up to 4K display via 2 HDMI 2.4, in terms of connectivity ports including up to 4K display via 2 HDMI 2.1 and Thunderbolt 4 connection, and in additional the power sync feature enable ASUS NUC 15 Pro to control the power status of connected ASUS monitor via an HDMI CEC interface. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.